Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Apple Watch 3rd generation models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, take off the watch strap and turn off the watch. Next, remove the display from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the screen on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Please note that some devices may require additional heating. Next, insert a thin plastic opening tool between the screen and the frame to create a small gap. Once a gap is created, insert a plastic carpet tool and carefully slide it around the edges to cut through the adhesive. Work slowly and use only the tip of the tool. This process takes time. Be patient and avoid inserting the tool too deep. Please note that the display flex cables are located near the frame and it can damage easily. Once the screen is free, keep it at a 90-degree angle. Next, remove the shield by undoing the screw and then disconnect the battery connector. Next, carefully lift the battery using a pry tool. Gently work around the edges to loosen the adhesive and remove it slowly. Next, position the new battery and secure it with adhesive. Next, connect the battery plug and secure the shield by adding the screw. Next, make sure the frame is clean and free from any broken glass, old adhesive or debris. Next, apply adhesive to the frame before installing the display. For this, we are using B7000 glue. Be careful during this step as the flex cables are delicate and can be damaged easily. Next, align the display with the frame and lower it into place. Gently press around the edges to ensure proper fit. Finally, use screen bonding clips or clamps to hold the display in place. Leave it for some time till the adhesive sets. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.